Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Sierra 2500 HD. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, tailgate step, remote engine start, cargo bed light, LED, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, rear step bumper. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather trim seats, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cargo area 115-volt power outlet, capless fuel filler system, audio, speed sensitive volume control, cruise control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.